Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Plug the Nest into power and watch for the pulsing LED or chime so you know it's booted. Open the Google Home app and sign in. This is how the device links to your account. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi name and password handy and prefer the 4 GHz band if your router splits bands. This improves discovery. Once done, tap the plus icon in the app to add a device and follow on-screen prompts to begin pairing. Once the app finds your Nest, you'll hear a confirmation tone. Confirm it in the app so pairing proceeds. Select your Wi-Fi SSID from the list and enter the password exactly, because case matters. Mistakes produce connection failures. The app then asks you to assign a room and name the device so voice control and routines make sense. Make sure to allow any required permissions and install firmware updates when prompted. Updates fix bugs and enable features, which is why you should accept them. Finish setup by testing a simple command like "Hey Google, what's the weather?" This verifies network and mic/speaker function. If the Nest shows offline, power cycle the device and your router, wait 30 seconds, then try reconnecting and retyping the Wi-Fi password. This clears transient network issues. If problems persist, factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, but remember you'll lose settings. One key troubleshooting tip. Check router settings for AP isolation or MAC filtering, which can block the Nest from joining the network.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.